Nana. I hope everybody's doing okay. We're gonna have a very quick session today, just simple makeup. As you can see, my face is pretty clean. So we'll start with the oil mattifier, which, as it says, mattifies oil. It kind of blocks the shiny aspect, the oil secreting factors. This is the oil mattifier. That's the oil mattifier. Then we continue with the foundation primer. Foundation primer primes the face before any makeup, any foundation. It smooths out the application of the foundation. So we will start with the under eye corrector. Just some dots here to cover a little bit of the pigmentation right here. Actually, this is the under eye corrector. Okay, so we'll use the blending brush to blend in as a base. I use it as a base before the application of foundation. Sometimes when you're not comfortable with the fact that it's so white on dark skin, you can use the CC cream. That is the another base that you can use. That's the complexion corrector. I have to use my mirror because I can see. You always want to take care of your neck. It's also part of the face. And then I'm going to use the CC cream. Okay, this is to cover the CC cream and the foundation brush. This is a foundation brush. Just take a little bit. Just to cover it a little bit where you have the strong pigmentation. As I said before, instead of the under eye corrector, you can use the CC cream, which, by the way, also has SPF, which is but it's also very light, so it gives you some coverage. This is nice. So for it to set, I'm going to use the setting spray, just a little bit. We'll just wait for it to dry. Then I'll take care of my lips. In the meantime, you always have to use the lip primer to soften the lips a little bit. So now I think it's dry. So I'm going to apply the foundation, which is the foundation. This is matte 3D, yes, 130. Okay, so there it is. I'll just take a little bit. Just blot it all in. Again, I have to take my mirror because I can see. Just to blend it all in. Good. I think this is simple. Okay, so I think this looks good. Then I'll use a little bit of the powder just to set it a little bit. You can use the pressed powder if you want. Okay, so I think this is it. Then now I'm going to use the concealer because there are some patches. I use my mirror again to cover up where there's hyperpigmentation. It just kind of covers up where there's a little bit of discoloration. Then we use our blending brush just to tap it in slowly. I think it looks good. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. thing on the side. Where it needs a little bit more coverage. Okay, I think we are good now. Smooth, and it's all kind of in place. All right, so I think this looks good. I can also use a little bit of the pressed powder just to smooth it out a little bit. And so the translucent powder, that is equally good. Good. So I think this is okay. Okay, so I'll be doing the eyes. This is the eye primer, very, very important. You always have to prime your face, you have to prime your lips. So my mirror. The other eye. Okay, so we'll start by using the color palette. That's this one, the pink one. That's the perfect pink. Now we'll use the pomegranate, this one. It's kind of a darker shade of the pink. Again, it's a question of choice. I want something pinkish, so this is going to be in the crease. I'm using the same brush because it's the same pink family, so it doesn't make too much of a difference. So you can see it's in the crease. I have a kind of a hollow set eye, so it makes it easier for the crease. Okay, see that? It blends in well. This is more of a mauve, well, if you call it a mauve, but it's more of a deeper pink. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the blue. That's my famous blue there, the peacock blue. Other side, like that. You can use any color you want. I like blue because it's my favorite color. Either blue or green. So that's it. So this is the peacock blue, this one. All right, just a little bit of corner. Yeah, that's okay. It looks simple. All right, so now I'm going to be using a little bit of the gold to outline the brow. Okay, see that? Same here, very thin line. Depends on how you want it. It arches the brow a little bit. Okay, so I think that's good. Then I am going to use the Precision eyebrow black for the eyes. There you go. Okay, I think we're good. So now we are going to use the eyebrow pencil. Okay, the eyebrow pencil. This is the black brown. Just to pluck it a little bit. I always like just plucking it, not really drawing a line, but just plucking it like a feather. It really brings out the brows. Okay, there you go. You can make make it thin, you can make it prominent, you can make it just easy. There you go. So when you're done, you can just take your brush, brow, just to comb it out a little bit, okay, to give it that kind of fluffiness. Open it up a little bit to give it a little bit of some order, okay. Then we'll use the Ultimate mascara. I normally prime my lashes, but today we'll just do without. Isn't that nice? Yes, I think this is good. So we are also going to use the lipstick, Silver Red. I like the color. I have very black lips, so sometimes I don't even need a lip liner. What do you think? This is nice. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Illuminate. Yeah, just there like that. Okay, then blend it in. Give it a little bit of a contouring. Okay, give it some highlight, just a little bit, not too much. Yes, I think this is good. We'll just add a little bit of the powder, the translucent powder, right? Yeah, just to tap it a little bit. Yes, I think we're good. Very simple, good to go. And the last touch of spray. Voila. So there we go. I hope you like this. Very simple. If you liked it, please press the button, subscribe, share, like, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.